Hey guys, Lisa in the studio today, and I was working on this piece, which is about a 16 by 30, and I was working on it in this vertical orientation, and upon studying it a little bit, I think that this piece might work better as a horizontal piece. This piece started as a demo in a workshop that I did a little while back. So I'm thinking that today I am going to turn the piece to a horizontal format and work on it a little bit in that orientation. I really enjoy doing abstracted landscapes, and this piece just really seemed to be speaking that it was, you know, an abstracted landscape feel with the mood of the color of the palette. And you know, I'm just trying to push things a little further, but I don't want it to be a totally visible landscape painting, but for the viewer to be able to bring that to the piece. So I think I'm going to pause. This is probably going to be a 2 or 3 part series to work on this piece, but I really like the direction that it's going. It's kind of got some mystery and a lot of layers that are coming through, and I want to build this piece more slowly. So I'm going to give this piece a little bit of drying time, and I will come back to it in part 2, and we will push this piece a little further. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I appreciate everyone who watches my YouTube channel, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day. Until next time.